Russia is really scraping the bottom of the barrel. While their barrel is huge, they come up with more and more antique or ridiculous substitutes for weapon system. Here an old self-propelled anti-aircraft system was destroyed with a jar of explosive material. With the system being produced from the 1960s to the early 80s, for a country bragging about having the best air defense in the world, reality doesn't match up, with Ukraine's drone army helping to retire an old system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.